Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Danan and everyone. Today we are Group 4. We'll show our presentation about analysis of vegetation. Next. Group 4 are Putri Aprilia Cahyanti, number 84, Niken Diah Utami Ciptasiwi, number 85, and Rizky Aulia Ananda, number 101. Next. The first point is definition. Analysis of plant vegetation is a way of studying the composition of vegetation types and structures. In forest ecology, the units of vegetation studied are plant communities. There are a concrete association of all species of plants that occupy a habitat. The goal to be achieved in community analysis is to know the composition of species and community structures in a region studied. The structure of vegetation has qualitative and quantitative properties. Some qualitative parameters of plant communities include physiognomy, phenology, stratification, abundance, dispersal, variable force, and form of growth.
Next point, quantitative analysis parameters on which vegetation analysis include. First, density. Density is the number of individuals of a type per unit area. Second, frequency. Frequency is the spread of a type expressed in percentage contained. Third, important value index. The important value index is a quantitative parameter that can be used to express the degree of dominance of species in a plant community. 4. Dominant index. Dominant index is used to determine concentration and spread. And diversity index. Species diversity is a characteristic of a community level based on its biological organization. 5. The level index. Type index can describe the stability of a community. Vegetation analysis methods are commonly used. There are 4 types. First, the quadratic method is the area calculated in square unit. Second, visual estimation method. Visual estimation is done based on visual observation or by looking at and placing the observed with parameters. Third, line or startup method. This method is actually similar to the quadratic method. It's just that the example plot used is elongated in the form of a bar or meter or scaled rope placed on wet vegetation. 4-point method. The point method is a variation of the quadratic method that is reduced to infinity. This method is effectively used for the analysis of wet vegetation with low vegetation patterns.
Okay, the next slide is about the amount that can be measured is as follows. 1. Absolute density is the number of individuals of a particular type of weed in the sample plot. Second is disk density is absolute density of a particular type of weed divided by the total absolute density of all type of weeds. The third is absolute dominance, is the level of closure, basal area, dry weight, or volume of certain types of weeds in an example plot. The fourth is absolute frequency, is the number of sample plots that contain a particular type of weeds. Fifth is Nisbi frequency, is the absolute frequency of a particular type of weeds divided by the total absolute frequency of all types of weeds. The next one is important value is the sum of the values of all ratio changes used. The last is STR, or important value divided by the number of ratio changes. Next slide. Okay, there are a formula analysis of the vegetation. The first formula is about Nisbi density. You can find with absolute density divided by the absolute number of units of all types times 100%. The second one is dominance of Nisbi. You can find with absolute dominance divided by the absolute dominance of all species times 100%. The third is Nisbi frequency. You can find with absolute frequency divided by sum of absolute frequencies of all kinds times 100%. And if you want to find important value, you can sum the Nisbi density plus Nisbi frequency plus Nisbi dominance. And for STR, or sum dominance ratio, you can find with important value divided by 3. And the last one is about community coefficient, or C. You can find with the formula 2 times W divided by A plus B times 100%. With the W is the smallest number of STR pairs of wheat types from the two wheat communities are compared, and the A and B is the amount of all STR types of wheats at the locations A or B. And then, if the community coefficient, or C, is more than 75%, the community into location is quite uniform.
Okay, that's all about our presentation. Thank you for Mr. Danar and everyone for the attention, and we hope that our presentation can be useful for everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.